Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of easy and beautiful nature-inspired wood carving patterns design ideas for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In a world increasingly drawn to authenticity and simplicity, the resurgence of woodworking is more than a craft trend. It's a quiet cultural movement. Among the various forms of woodworking, nature-inspired wood carving has found a meaningful place in the hearts of both artisans and admirers alike. For beginners stepping into the art of wood carving, starting with nature-themed designs is not only accessible, but also immensely rewarding. These patterns, leaves, vines, trees, feathers, flowers, embody organic beauty, timeless appeal, and emotional connection. But beyond their aesthetic value, nature-inspired wood carvings offer a powerful opportunity for craftspeople to build and promote a woodworking business rooted in creativity, sustainability, and story. The beauty of nature-inspired designs lies in their universality. They speak a visual language that transcends borders and generations. A leaf carved onto a wooden tray or a simple bird etched into a jewelry box appeals to the eye and heart without needing translation. For beginners, this presents a rare combination of ease and impact. Even simple carvings, a maple leaf, a vine spiraling along the edge of a picture frame, can evoke deep emotion and admiration. This accessibility helps build confidence early in the woodworking journey, turning hesitant learners into passionate creators. And that passion is where the opportunity begins. When a beginner discovers that they can carve something meaningful with their own hands, they are not only making art, they are crafting a story. Sharing that story is the first step toward building a brand. In today's connected world, where social media offers a free stage and online marketplaces offer open storefronts, every carved piece becomes both a product and a promotional tool. Posting a time-lapse of a leaf being carved, a photo of a flower etched into reclaimed wood, or a finished fern-adorned wall hanging tells an audience that beauty is being made here and invites them to take part in it. Nature-inspired carving also allows woodworkers to tap into a growing consumer demand for eco-conscious, handmade, and nature-themed decor. As more people seek to bring the calm of the outdoors into their homes, woodwork that reflects the natural world offers exactly that kind of emotional and stylistic connection. This makes such products easy to market. Wall art featuring forest silhouettes, serving boards adorned with tree bark textures, or small sculptures of wildlife can serve not just as functional decor, but as soulful reminders of what people cherish about the natural world. Moreover, beginner-friendly nature patterns allow for efficient production without sacrificing originality. A single vine or branch motif can be adapted to multiple items, mirror frames, coasters, utensils, or drawer handles, allowing the artisan to create a cohesive product line with visual unity. This helps in brand building and collection marketing. Customers who purchase a leaf-carved candle holder may return for matching items or recommend the set to others. This type of organic growth, rooted in consistent design language, is the foundation of many successful handmade businesses. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another layer of opportunity in nature-inspired wood carving is the emotional value of the pieces. A carved rose on a memory box can symbolize love and remembrance. A lotus on a meditation stool can signify peace and enlightenment. These meanings resonate deeply with people and elevate the carvings from simple designs to sentimental heirlooms. When your products offer not just beauty, but meaning, you create emotional buyers, those who invest not just with their wallets, but with their hearts. These are the customers who write reviews, share your work, and become long-term supporters of your brand. Teaching is another powerful extension of this niche. Once a beginner has mastered a few patterns and feels confident, the door to teaching opens wide. Hosting workshops, whether online or in local makerspaces, centered around carving nature motifs can attract new learners and position the artist as a knowledgeable guide in the community. Even downloadable pattern templates or step-by-step video tutorials can generate passive income while increasing visibility. When people associate your name with accessible, beautiful, nature-themed wood carving, your audience grows, and with it, your influence. Social media plays a particularly supportive role in promoting a nature carving woodworking business. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are visual first, which is ideal for showcasing the natural elegance of wood and the organic flow of each design. Posting before and after photos of raw wood transformed into carved masterpieces, or stories that show the real-time process of shaping a piece, help establish trust and authenticity. Hashtags like #NatureCarving, #WoodlandDecor, #EcoWoodcraft, and #BeginnerWoodcarver can connect your content to an already interested audience. These connections turn views into visits, visits into sales, and sales into a sustainable business model. Additionally, nature-themed woodworking can be deeply aligned with sustainability. By sourcing reclaimed or ethically harvested wood and promoting the preservation of forests through your work, your business becomes more than commerce. It becomes a message. Customers today don't just want products, they want values. A company that sells a hand-carved Tree of Life plaque and donates a portion of its profits to reforestation efforts isn't just selling wall decor, it's inspiring a movement. This type of alignment builds customer loyalty and creates a platform for broader impact. Let's not forget the internal rewards that come with this path. For many craftspeople, the true richness of woodworking isn't measured in money, but in meaning. There is a quiet joy in tracing the outline of a leaf onto wood, of slowly revealing a flower petal with each careful cut. There is peace in the process and pride in the finished product. In a time when many jobs feel disconnected from their outcomes, woodworking, especially wood carving, offers the full circle of creation. And when that creation draws from nature, the circle feels even more complete. The journey from beginner carver to thriving craftsman may be carved slowly, like the patterns themselves, but with patience and purpose, it becomes a journey worth taking. Every simple leaf, every graceful branch, is another step forward. Each pattern a practice in mindfulness, in vision, in skill, and each finished piece a message to the world that beauty still lives in the handmade, that connection still resides in craft, and that success can still be carved, carefully, beautifully, from the simplest pieces of wood. In embracing nature-inspired carving, the beginner doesn't just learn a skill. They plant the seeds of a business that grows with their hands, their heart, and the world around them. What starts as a hobby becomes a voice. What starts as a piece of wood becomes a piece of someone's life. And in that space between the grain and the groove lies the quiet power of a craftsman stepping into their own creative truth. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked, easy, and beautiful nature-inspired wood carving patterns, design ideas for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.